Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to lock the touchscreen on this device. This feature is quite useful if you want to prevent the missed touches on your screen or performing some unwanted actions on your screen. For example, while sleeping or taking a shower. Okay, so first we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have the settings icon. Let's tap on it to open the settings. In settings, scroll down and select the option called Screen Lock Settings. And now we can enable this option right here by tapping the switch. And what this option does is basically, when you enable this feature, you will be forced to unlock the screen by pressing the button before you will be able to perform operations after you wake up the screen by lifting your wrist, basically flicking your wrist, or when you receive the notification. So, for example, I'm gonna lift the screen now. Let's simulate flicking of the wrist to wake up the screen. And now the screen should be locked, but it's not for some reason. Let's try again. So let's turn off the screen, wake it up, and now it's locked. Okay, so as you can see, there is this lock icon and I can't use the touch screen. It could be useful while sleeping or taking a shower, so you won't get any misclicks on your screen. And to unlock it, you just need to press the side button like this, and now you can use it. Okay, and to turn it off, this feature basically you need to open the settings again, tap on Screen Lock Settings, and tap on the switch to disable it, like this. And that's how you turn on how you lock the touch screen on this device, my bad. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.